Hi and welcome to my first unboxing video of Diamond Art Club diamond paintings. So I want to show you two diamond paintings today. A square one, which is called Milky Way, and as I said is an absolutely gorgeous diamond painting from Diamond Art Club, and a round diamond one, which is the Here Comes the Bride diamond painting. I'm sure you saw a lot of unboxing videos. These two are my first one. I just want to show you how they look like and my first impressions about them. So first thing that really stand out was the amazing quality of the box already. Look at that shine. And so let me show you the square one first. So we'll open it together. Okay, so in the box you get the canvas, nicely packed. You get a large sticker, I think it's a sticker, yes, with all the serial numbers, the symbols you will find on your diamond painting, and the color code, which is really important because all of the colors in Diamond Art Club, all of the drills have a specific code, and it's really awesome to put away. If you have extra drills left, you can put those away and number them, and maybe you can use it on another diamond painting. So I highly recommend you do that. And you get these little plastic packages in which you can put your extra drills later on, number them, put them away. I always do that when I have extra drills left. And you can put this sticker in a logbook, for example in your collection book, a notebook. I would use it next to my diamond painting while I'm working, so I can always see which sign is which color. So this is the larger one, and you also get a little really cute pill sticker here. So it's easier for you to organize your stashed kits, or you can put it in your logbook. So there you go. And this diamond, as you can see, diamond painting is 56 times 76 centimeter large. It's pretty large, and it has square shaped. And here is your diamond painting toolkit. You get a magic applicator, that's the name. You get this comfort grip, which you can put on your applicator. I'm so sorry. You get a tray, small little cute tray, 2 wax pads, and the tweezer. I'm just looking for the multiplacer. I will put these away, and the tweezer, which helps you to put the diamonds, the drills in the appropriate place. Really nice packaging. And now let's cut to the chase of the canvas. I have been waiting so long for this to arrive. I'm really excited about it. Okay. So, wow. Let's see. Okay. Oops. I'm gonna try to show you the whole canvas. It's really huge. Okay, so first things first, I can't feel any rivers on the canvas, which is quite usual when you buy cheaper diamond painting canvases, and they are really annoying, let me tell you. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm just trying to have some space. So, the fabric of the canvas is just stunning. Doesn't have any, plastic feel. It's really nice. Can you hear that? Oh, yeah. And every painting comes with a plastic protector, and this is where the stickiness starts. This is where you put your drills, of course. And the whole canvas is shiny. I'm not sure if you can see it, maybe not, but it's shiny. It has a nice shine to it. You get the color numbers and the symbols on both sides of the canvas. This canvas has 51 colors, a lot of colors, and you can find it here as well. Okay. Let's take a look at the symbols a little bit closer. We are going on a ride. Oh yeah, there you can see the shine a little bit. And the symbols are nice, visible, easy to see. I'm just changing the zoom, so it will be easier for you to see the symbols. Oh my, it takes a second. I'm so sorry. There you go. Okay. So here you can see the symbols. Lovely. Okay. So, and now to the colors. Oh, so many amazing colors. I hope I will be able to put back the drills in such a nice way. So. Wow. Oh, so many lovely purples. Love them. Okay. So. Can you see that shine? Awesome. We have a nice red, 321, 796, 900, so I'm so sorry, 498, oh gosh, it's been ages I did a video or stream, so I'm so sorry for my English, 3837, oh, there you go, AB drill. All the drill numbers starting with 1 are Aurora Borealis drills and have an extra shine to them. 720, 602, 208, 740, 519, 3853, nice orange, a lighter orange, 741. If you like colorful pictures, highly recommend this one. 775, 600, 3325, 603, 601, 3854, 209, and 917. This is the first package. Wow. $604, 742, 718, nice magenta, a lighter magenta, 210, 3811, 666, 900, 606, one free, another AB diamond drill package. Look at that shine, wow. 3855, 211, 605, 3846, a nice sky blue, 598, 3608, wow, what a nice pink, rose pink color, 3823, 3609, 743, 954. Look, a drill. Hi. And now to the larger packages. We have 340155. Looks like purples are the main colors. 966. Oh, oops, that's upside down. 996. 797. Look at that blue. Awesome. 3371. It's a darker brown. 333. Awesome. 550. Nice aubergine color that we have. 327, 3746, 915. Oh, my favorite color, just like my nails, the wine red. 915 and 814. Oh, okay, so this was the unboxing of the Milky Way Galaxy kit, the square diamond kit. And are you ready for the next one?
I am.
So here comes the bride. A fairly new DP from Diamond Art Club. And yeah, this is a round shaped diamond kit. And I will just change the focus because we will need to zoom out a little bit for this one. Ooh! Oh, I chose this. I saw a video of the finished one, and those teal colors and those purples, oh gosh, just killed me. I'm telling you, so beautiful. Yeah, this is a really dark one, but when I saw the video of the finished one, I realized how many beautiful purples and teals it has, so I needed it. This is a longer one, 55 times 97 centimeter big diamond painting. It has also 3 Aurora Borealis drills in it. As always, you get the nice quality, you get the sticker and the smaller sticker with your diamond painting. You get the diamond painting toolkit, which is always the same. You get the wax pads, nice heart-shaped ones. You get the applicator, the comfy grip, the tray. Yeah, that's it. And the small packages. Okay. Let's open the canvas. Awesome. As before, you get a nice soft canvas, nice sparkle. Okay, let's take a look. It's a really huge one. You see how long it is? Look. Nearly a meter long and 50 centimeters. Right. Okay. As before, let's take a look at the symbols. Really visible, nice, easily distinguishable colors and symbols. This kit has 29 colors and 3 AB Aurora Borealis colors, so that's really nice. Let's take a look at the colors. Okay, before we do that, maybe you want to see more of the symbols, how they look. Yeah, you get a step-by-step instruction. With how to do guide a 10Q10 code and tips and tricks. Tips and not tricks. Tips and tricks for your project. Lovely. Okay. Now to the best part, visuals. So, we obviously have a lot of blacks. Look at that shine. Shiny, shiny, love it. More blacks. Wow. Look of black. We have a nice blue, 803. A bluish gray color, 939. So many colors next to black. Then we have a darker blue-gray, 823. Then we have nice navy blue, 312. 3760. 597, 334, and 598. Lovely teal colors. Now to the purples. 333, 775. 797. Wow, love this one. 3746. Here we have an AB drill, the white color, 141. Can you see the shine? Wow. 3841. 155. 340, 3811, 210. Oh, an AB1, 126. Let's take a look. Oh, look at that. There it is. 3755, 796. 519, 3865, which is also white color without the extra shine. 799, 820, 995, 996, and the lovely pink 605. Okay, let's take a look at the colors. Just stunning. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. These were the 2D pieces we unboxed and I can't wait to do them. So I will be back with another video with 2 more Diamond Art Club kits. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching as always. I wish you all a wonderful day. Goodbye. Take care.